In this photo, you can see that I have the model completed. The air conditioner is in place on the cab roof, as well as the antenna platform. Cab shades have been added, and of course the handrails all the way around the locomotive. Then directly behind the cab, we have the smoke lifters installed. This photo shows the engineer's side, so you can see the detail a little better. Then this photo was taken on the layout, doing a side shot, and then a little bit raised version of the same shot, and then a 3/4 view shot with the headlight on.